Rebecca, this is Colin. We have another food box. This one is Korean food. It's called DOOFOOD, and it is one of those ones where they basically prep the food for you and you do the assembly, so it's only supposed to take like 10 minutes to do your meal. You can order it for one person, for many people, and each meal has its own price. So it's not like a $60 box. It's depending on what you get, the price will change. It is only available on northeastern America. We live in California, but they sent us the box special so that we could do this video. The box is very cute and it says things. What does it say? The healthier way to enjoy Korean cuisine for you and your family.
Unless you've ordered for one.
No MSG, organic, non-GMO, balanced nutrition.
In quotes. Why is all of that in quotes?
I don't know.
It's not the place for
balanced
quotes.
nutrition.
Yeah, that's not where you put quotes.
Okay, so I have our menus for the meals that I have chosen. And it comes, you know, nicely packed. It's got all the insulation and everything, and it has these cardboard things. Thanks for your order. Oh, by the way, thanks to you, we were able to provide more meals to starving children around the world today. And yeah, goes into a little bit about that. And then at the bottom, there's chilled ingredients. Now, here's the thing that I don't understand. Okay, so they gave us chilled ingredients, which I put in the freezer, and now they're frozen. And I feel like, were we supposed to thaw those? Because in the instructions, it says nothing about thawing things.
Let's see. What you need. Well, hey, you want to just do one of them? Bulgogi barbecue? Yeah, I love barbecue.
Okay, so these are the three. We'll do these in 3 separate videos. So we'll do one now. Make sure you subscribed. Watch out for the other 2 videos. If you're watching this later in the game, I will link them in the description box.
Oh, I like how they have the recipe color. They have like orange, purple, and green so that you know what's the green one. So grab the stuff for the orange one. Nice. I like that a lot. That makes me super happy. Yeah, I love bulgogi beef. For a guy who just got chastised for only eating Cheetos and Pepsi. I am really
staple food groups.
I am actually really excited about this. So
okay, yeah, this is beef. It's just labeled beef. Important, keep frozen until use. So
let's do it. So recipe quantity represents 1 serving. For multiple servings, multiply water content by the number of servings. How do we know how many servings we got?
2.
We got 2?
I ordered 2, so that's
But it doesn't say on here.
But it doesn't, no, it doesn't say on here.
All right, what else? Oh, it even has the step 1, step 1.
Oh,
man, this
like
is a lot. It only has 3 steps. I don't think they needed to go this far.
This is for people like us. We need very detailed information. Now,
this is literally this is literally just throw 3 things into a pan.
I mean, they're labeled, but they're not color coded, is what I mean.
Well, that one literally says snack on it, so I say we pop that one.
Oh, okay. Oh, and this is just a side dish. This is seasoned cucumber.
Yeah, delicious.
Side dish, so I can eat this whenever I want. Is that?
We can eat it whenever we.
I'm sorry. I'll share.
Don't be bogarting the cucumber.
And healthy snack. Would you like a healthy snack?
Maybe. As long as there's no quinoa in it, I'm good. What do we got?
Nuts.
Nuts.
It's almonds, peanuts, soybeans, sunflower seeds, and raisins.
Wunderbar. Is it
trail mix.
Literally just a bag of trail mix?
Yeah.
It's literally a tiny bag of trail mix.
Okay, all right, so I think I have all of the orange things. I'm gonna put all of the rest of this away. Okay, so the other meals that we're going to make, by the way, we also have army base stew and soy sauce steamed chicken. Army base stew, I was really curious about because that's actually a thing, and Anthony Bourdain talks about it all the time. So that's why we got that one. I have no idea what it is. Okay. All right, let me put this stuff away.
It would seem weird to just throw in frozen beef. It seems like we should have thawed this out before we put it in.
And it's a blob, but it says important, keep frozen until use.
Yeah.
And
there's 2 little people on here.
Yeah, there's 2 little people on here. Yeah. See the 2 little people up here? So you know that this is for 2 people. I love it. I don't even know what's in this bag. Have we looked yet?
Well, step 1 is add beef and then stir on high heat. See, I think, and then step 2 is veggies, step 3 is sauce.
Oh, okay.
See, it even has 1, 2, and 3 on it. Well, I was going to say, do we really want to do this right now while it's frozen? Because it's just going to...
Let's do it and let's see what happens. Because if this fails, we'll do the other recipes by thawing them, but...
I think we should thaw them. My bet is on thawing.
Well, and I was concerned about that as well.
This is only heating for 2 to 3 minutes, unless this is already cooked. Yeah.
We're doing this.
Yeah, right.
I'm hungry. I've had half a martini. I need some lunch. And by the way, you guys want to see my martini? I was
That's not a martini, that's the swamp thing. What's going on with that?
It's a matcha martini.
Ah.
So make sure you're subscribed because I'm gonna do a martini video with my sister and bestie, and we're each gonna bring our own martini recipe and teach you guys how to make them. So this is my matcha martini. So I was trying to make sure that I had my recipe correct. Tara, should we try some seasoned cucumber?
Hell yeah! Did you try the snacks? It's a lot like nuts.
It just looks like trail mix.
It's trail mix.
I thought this was kimchi. Didn't we, or did we get like a frozen kimchi? No, maybe that's what it was. Mmm. These are so good.
These are really good. It did say stir on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes.
There we go.
I'm gonna flip it. Go for it.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Oh, that looks good. Okay, 2 to 3 minutes on this?
Yeah.
Excellent.
It looks good.
Yeah, it looks great. I'm really excited.
It smells good too.
Yeah. All right, I'm throwing the topping.
Yeah.
And then drop it down to half. To medium. Go for it. That is not a lot of sauce.
No, it's not.
That's a tiny bit of sauce.
And the only problem with these kinds of recipes is that you can't recreate them on your own because you have no idea what's actually in it.
Yeah, the seasoning is unknown.
I mean, I'm sure they list the, in fact, they do list the nutrition ingredients information on the website.
They give you the ingredients. Onion, scallion, sesame oil. So it's just, actually, no, you can do it. It's just sesame oil.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, all right, and that's it. Mmm.
What do you think?
Super good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. I was worried that the veggies wouldn't be, that the vegetables needed a little bit more time to soften, you know, especially the onions in here. Mm-hmm. But no, they're fine.
No, yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, because usually you leave them in for, you know, maybe a little bit longer just to kind of,
right,
you know.
No, but this is good. I like it. Mm-hmm. It's really good.
Yeah, really good. A+ for this one. Totally tasty. Mm-hmm. Not very spicy. I always expect Korean food to be a little bit spicier, but yes.
They actually have a thing on their website that says whether or not it is spicy or mild.
Ah, okay, cool.
I don't think it says on here, but on the website when you're choosing your meals, it lets you know, is it spicy, mildly spicy, or not spicy? So that's nice, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Like you're
absolutely.
right, Korean food is traditionally often spicy.
Right.
So.
But yeah, this is great. Absolutely love it. Excited about the next one.
Me too. Okay, so we will leave all of the information in the description box. Make sure you check that out and definitely look for our other 2 videos. All right, well, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.